Welcome to Chapter 6 of Grammar Fundamentals for the PSAT. This is Lesson 39 on prepositions. A preposition is a small but mighty word. It shows the relationship between a noun or pronoun and another word in the sentence, often telling us where or when. Let's meet them. So, what does a preposition actually do? It shows a relationship between two things. Very often, that relationship is about place, words like in, on, under, and between, telling you where something is. Just as often, it's about time, words like before, after, and during, telling you when. The key idea is this: a preposition links a noun to another word in the sentence. Watch how much one little word carries. The cat sat under the table. Now swap a single word. The cat sat on the table. We changed nothing but the preposition, and the whole picture flipped. Under puts the cat below the table. On puts it right on top. That tiny word sets the entire relationship between the cat and the table. Prepositions love company. A prepositional phrase begins with the preposition and ends with a noun or pronoun called the object. In between, you can have modifiers. Look here. The boat drifted under the old bridge. The phrase starts with under, the preposition. The little word the and the describing word old are modifiers. And it ends with bridge, the noun. That ending noun is the object of the preposition. So, how do you find a prepositional phrase and its object? 2 quick steps. First, start at the preposition, the word like in, on, or under. Second, run forward to the noun or pronoun it lands on, picking up any little modifiers along the way. That ending noun is the object of the preposition. Start at the preposition, finish at the noun, and you've got the whole phrase. Let's try a few. In this first set, find the preposition, the word that begins the prepositional phrase and shows the relationship. Pause and try each one before I answer. The keys under the doormat belong to Mr. Reyes. We want the word that shows a relationship and begins a phrase. That word is under, linking the keys to the doormat. So the answer is under. The lantern by the door glows softly. The word that begins a phrase and shows where the lantern is by. It ends on the noun door, so the answer is by. The bazaar originated in ancient times. Here, the preposition tells us when. That word is in, beginning the phrase in ancient times. So the answer is in. Now find the object of the preposition, the noun or pronoun that ends the prepositional phrase. Pause and try each one. We clean the shed behind her house. The phrase is behind her house. It begins with behind and ends on the noun house. That ending noun is the object, so the answer is house. The porcelain dolls were among our best finds. The phrase begins with among and runs to the noun finds. That ending noun is the object of the preposition, so the answer is finds. Mrs. Watkins smiled at us. The phrase is at us. It begins with at and ends on the pronoun us. Remember, the object can be a pronoun, not just a noun, so the answer is us. Let's wrap up. A preposition is a small word that links a noun or pronoun to another word, very often showing where or when, words like in, on, under, before, and during. A prepositional phrase begins with that preposition and runs to a noun or pronoun called the object, with any modifiers in between. To find the object, just go to the noun or pronoun that ends the phrase. Small words, big jobs. Great work!